Hey guys, welcome to I Publish Ghostwriters. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to earn money on Amazon. Sorry about that, on Amazon KDP. If you're in this video, it's because you're obviously looking to make money online. You're looking to obviously increase the income that you produce on Amazon KDP if you are already publishing. If not, then you're probably looking to get into the space to make money like we show you how to do in this channel. All right, so stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this, how to squeeze every single dollar out of one book that you publish. See you inside. All right, so welcome back. All right, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to do something for you. I'm going to give you a bonus segment where I'm going to show you. I know I'm talking about 5 ways to earn, but if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how to 10 times this 5 ways to earn. I promise you that we're going to turn this 5 ways probably into 50 ways you could capitalize on one book. And this is why I produce thousands and thousands of dollars on Amazon each month with publishing. If you don't know who I am, I'm Alex. I self-publish. I make multiple 6 figures here. This was last year. I've been doing this month after month after month. 10,000 here from one of Amazon in the US, 12,000 from Audible books. I do over 20,000 every single month. So let's get into it. I promised you 5 ways to earn money out of KDP Amazon. So here is number 1. When you publish your book, obviously you're going to make money from an ebook, right? And these books are usually priced between $2.99 and $12.99. We stay in the lower part of this pricing over the $2.99, but this is the first way you're going to earn money from your book. And your books can be published within 24 hours after you upload. This is very fast to do. This is the first way you start getting revenue back, your return on investment. Let's move on here. Now let me give you an example here. So these are 2 ebooks. As you can see, one is priced for $2.99 or $1.99. Most likely it's $2.99, and here's another ebook that is priced for $12.99. So don't feel like you have to be restricted to a $2.99 price point. If your book is selling, you could always increase and see if it continues to sell at a higher price. You have to learn how to get your money back on your books. Don't be afraid, and don't be afraid to only price your books at one price. You have to test, and you'll be surprised that books are still going to sell even if you increase the price. Let's go to reason the second part of this. The second way to earn money from self-publishing is through paperback and hardcovers. Now, guys, these are 2, right? I'm going to include them as 1, but these are 2. You have to understand that your product, your book, people are going to be drawn to paperback, and a lot of people are drawn to hardcovers. So you have to learn to use all of these strategies for your market to give people what they want. Don't be lazy. You have to design your books so you could sell them in their paperback and a hardcover, and I'm going to show you an example of that. So here is this book. We're looking at the 2 examples on the right. This person has 4 streams of income on this book, but look at the last 2, and that's what we're focusing on right now. Paperback is for $13.99, and the hardcover is for $10 more, $25.99. You have to give people the option, and this is how you pull in sales, you get your money back, and then you start earning passive income. You have to hit all of these points. You just can't upload an ebook or feel lazy that you don't want to convert it into a hardcover or all these. This is nonsense. This is what you have to do to make $20,000, $30,000 a month if you want to get to that point. But even if you want to get to 1,000, you have to be able to maximize your returns by offering all of these strategies that I'm showing you here. All right, let's go to the next one. The third way, a lot of people don't know that Amazon, through their program, they pay on pages read. So we talked about your ebook, we talked about the hard cover, your paperback cover, but you also make money when someone reads your book, and Amazon pays you roughly, this changes every month, 0.004 per page. And this may not seem like a lot, but this is very big if you publish fiction books, because people who read fiction books actually read the damn books. People who buy nonfiction books, it's so surprising to me, but they rarely read the books. So this adds up, and this is just another way that you're going to earn. Out of the 5 ways, this is just another way that this is a passive income coming in. And let me show you. I'm going to show you an example so you see this is real numbers. This is from one of my accounts here. 500,000 pages read turns out to be over $2,000. Imagine having 500,000 pages read every single month. I mean, this is just another revenue stream. So this is why you have to produce quality content. All right. I teach to produce quality content because you want people to read through your books, right? You don't want somebody to read the first chapter and seeing a ton of errors and spelling and all this nonsense. You want people to actually read your books because you also get paid for the pages read. This is just another strategy. Now, this is why I'm an advocate of you building a portfolio, a book portfolio, because eventually when you start having more books and you start diversifying, like I have built my business, you start making thousands of dollars every month from pages read. And this is evergreen because people join Amazon and they pay a monthly subscription and they get to read as many books as they want. And if you have a lot of books out there, your books are going to be read and you're going to make money either way. So this is how I build a large passive income stream through all of these channels. And you have to be able to take your business seriously so you could also make money. Even if you think 0.004 is not money, look, it's $2,000. That I'm sure is going to pay a lot of bills for you guys. Now, this is another strategy. This is number 4. And I know most of you are not going to do this. Most of you are not doing this because it requires for you to upload your book and put this onto another platform and get your book translated. I have books translated in multiple languages. So this is what happens. You have your book translated, let's say into Portuguese. Now your book goes on to Amazon in that country, in that language. It's almost like if you just had a book written, a new book, in a new language, and that's exactly what it is. Although this is the 4th way to earn on Amazon KDP, this is probably the number 1 thing that most people are not doing, and they don't see that as a new revenue stream, but it is, and you have to execute on it. All right, so here's an example. Look at all of these countries that have their own Amazon in their own specific language. Imagine having your one book turning into let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's say you turn one book into 13 new books with new languages. Now, this strategy here I teach, and it doesn't cost you much. It's pennies on the dollar to have this process done. All right. Let's go to our last strategy here, audiobooks. If you have seen my channel, you know I'm a big promoter of audiobooks. I've grown my business thousands of dollars just on audiobooks. And audiobooks could sell between $6.95 and $24.95. You make money within those 2 ranges. So if you guys are being lazy and not executing on this, turning this one book into an audiobook, you're making a very big mistake and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. I promise you. I'm going to show you here. So let's go over the 5 ways to earn money on Amazon KDP. We said ebooks. From ebooks, you make your sales. From ebooks, you get your pages read that Amazon pays you through the Kindle for pages read. You have your book. The 3rd way is have your book into print and hardcover form. 2 ways, guys. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Get your books available in paperback and also hardcover. Don't be lazy. If you want to make big time money, you have to execute on all these points that I'm talking about. Now, the 4th way to earn here is through language translation. I can't get into this in this video, but this is something that you must do. The 5th way is audiobooks. All right, so these are the 5 ways to earn money on Amazon KDP. Now, I said I was going to give you a bonus, and I will, but let me just show you here. Look at this book right here, over 2,000 reviews. Kindle, look at the Kindle, $14. It's almost priced like a paperback. As a matter of fact, it's priced exactly like the paperback. The paperback is for $14.52. The hardcover is for $30. The audiobook, $15, $16. And this person also has it in CD. I haven't done this, but this is another way. Now you're reaching out to your audience and saying, hey, there's no excuse for you not to buy my book. And this person is making a ton of money. I promise you that. All right, so I promised you the bonus. And for those of you who stuck around, here it is. I'm about to leave to Indonesia, and there's a lot of rice fields out there. And this is a perfect example. When you start self-publishing and you start putting books out there, it starts off as one book. But this one book could turn into what you see over here when you start implementing these strategies for books to sell in all different areas to all different target audiences. So what I've mentioned are the 5 ways, but this is how you reach exponential growth in your business. Once you cross over to translation, right? Once you cross over to translation, let's say you have your book translated into Italian, just one language. Now this one book in Italian really turns out to be one new book, because now this one book in Italian also offers the ebook, the print, the hardcover, and it also offers the audiobook. So you take another language and you do the same thing, and you start exponentially growing this one book. Get it? I hope you did. This is very simple, but I promise you, those of you who are not making money doing this, it's because you want to be a bestseller. You want to get all these reviews for your books. You're focusing on the wrong thing. You have to look at this example here of the rice, of seeding, of the seed on the very left, right? You have to focus here and turn this one book into the different stages that I have here. And this is why, guys, this is why I make, look, just on audio here, this month, $22,000 net, profitable, earnings to my pocket. This is why my business is multi-6 figures, because I execute, I hit on all these points. All right, guys, I hope you got value on this video. Probably below there will be a link. I offer a course. If you guys want to learn more about the course, how to do step-by-step these strategies that I implement, there will be a link below. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask a question below. I will get to it. I will answer your questions. I will shoot videos that you guys want. I'll see you on the next one.